Okay children, in part 4th, you have understood the HCF of two prime number. Now see one more concept here. Suppose I have written here 4 and 7. Now you know very well 4 is the even number, it is a factor of 2, and 7 is a prime number. Means one number is composite number and one number is the prime number. Now see what will be the result of HCF. Is it clear? See 4. So factor of 4 is, it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, and it is divisible by 4 itself. Okay, so these three factors are there. Okay, another way I will also explain you this. Next is 7. It is 1 and 7 itself, not another number. So in this condition also your HCF is 1. Means what? If one number is composite, one number is prime, in that condition also HCF is 1. Is it clear? Just keep this thing in your mind. Prime number, composite number, HCF 1. Prime number, HCF is 1. Is it clear? See one more. Now 9 and 16. Okay. Two numbers I have given. Both are a composite number. 9 is the factor of 3 and 16 is the factor of 4. Is it clear? Now you see, if you write 9, so by which number it is divisible? It is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 9. Now let's come the 16. It is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 8, and it is divisible by 16. So again HCF is 1. It means if two numbers are composite and one is odd and one is even, okay, composite number are there but one is odd, one is even, in that circumstances also HCF will be 1. Okay, let's take one more example. एक और समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. So this all things you keep in your mind. Very important. I am telling you again and again. Now see. Now see. 5 and 35. Okay. If you write the factor of 5. Okay. Sorry, 1 and 5, and you write the third factor of 35. So 35 is divisible by 1, 35 is divisible by 5, 35 is divisible by 7, and 35 is divisible by 35. Now you see 1 is also common, 5 is also common, but which one is the greater than this? Of course 5. So HCF is what? HCF equal to, now what you understood by it, आपने समझा क्या? That is the most important thing. Means if one number is the multiple of another one, यानी कि अगर एक नंबर दूसरे के टेबल में आ रहा है तो in that condition जो छोटा नंबर है that number itself is a HCF. आपको दिमाग यूज करना ही नहीं है, ज्यादा खोपड़ी चलानी नहीं है. Suppose instead of this I am writing here 2 and 18. You know 18 is the multiple of 2. 2 के टेबल में 18 आता है तो by natural 2 is the HCF. You are not supposed to think ज्यादा भेजा चलाने का नहीं, भेजा यूज करने का. That is the most important thing. ये आपको समझना पड़ेगा, आपके दिमाग में ये बात आनी चाहिए. Suppose again 7 and 49. 49 is the multiple of 7. Then HCF is 7. तो ये चीज आपको बेसिक प्राइमरी लेवल पर दिमाग में रखनी पड़ेगी. अगर आप इतना कर पाते हो then it is good for you. आप HCF को जब हम एक्सरसाइज में जाएंगे, when I start your 1.1 you will understand this concept in better way. क्योंकि मुझे वहाँ ये आपको अभी मैं बेस क्लियर करके दे रहा हूँ बच्चों में, ताकि जब मैं आपको 1.1 सिखाने बैठूं तो उस समय आपके दिमाग में कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट सेंस ऑफ HCF क्या है, बिकॉज वहां पर हमको कुछ अलग तरीके से यूक्लिड एल्गोरिथम मेथड्स, डेफिनेटली व्हेन टॉपिक विल कम आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एल्गोरिथम, एल्गोरिथम क्या है मैं डेफिनेटली आपको एक्सप्लेन करके दूंगा, बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट at that time you should know the all minute factors related to this topic, HCF से related ये छोटी छोटी बातें आपके दिमाग में आनी चाहिए. Okay, whenever you receive this video you try to watch it again and again, it will make the clear the concept in your mind regarding the topic, subject को लेकर आपके दिमाग में clarity आ जाएगी and definitely it become more helpful for you to understand the subject. आपको subject को समझने में ज़्यादा बेहतर आपको जो है लगेगा. Is it clear? Okay, so here one more concept is there which I explained you, so this one you keep in your mind. Okay.
एक मिनट.